First test, can it split wood? I don't have high hopes for it because this already happened throwing it in the truck. We're gonna try it. Ready? Here we go. Wood split test number 1. Okay, let's hold it right there just for a moment and let me explain what's happening. That is a carbon fiber 3D printed hatchet. Yes, 3D printed. We printed it here in the studio, and I took it out on the ranch, and we decided we would find out exactly how usable a 3D printed hatchet is. Well, hang out here with us for a few moments, and we're going to show you exactly how useful or useless a 3D printed carbon fiber hatchet is. Enjoy. Holy crap. What? No. Did that really just do what I think it did? What? That was really light, dry. Okay, so now we're gonna do it. You ready? Well, that didn't last very long. Now I'm sad. I'm sad because I think we just destroyed it on our first hit. More. Well, now we have a bat. That's it? Seriously?
Oh my goodness.
Really?
I thought it was going to hit me.
No, I can't believe that. That's so maddening. This was like 14 hours of print. This was 800 grams, so almost a whole spool of $30 carbon fiber PLA. That's actually really heavy. I mean,
Paperweight.
yeah, that's what it did to it. Well, that was pretty uneventful. I wanted to sharpen it. That's what I really wanted to do. Anyway, well, so much for that exercise. Huh? You doubted me? Look at the pile of wood I chopped with my 3D printed hatchet. Now, it's a little rough, but check it out.
Why are you holding it like that?
Doesn't matter why I'm holding it like that.
What's that?
What's what?
That.
Oh, nothing. Doesn't matter. Cut. Get more shots of the truck. Like, we need more B-roll shots. Or you might as well turn the camera vertical and make this a YouTube short. The thing only lasted like 30 seconds. Still kind of works. Hey, it was 3D printed. Give it a break.
Ow.
Sorry. Still limb trees with it. Kind of. Hang out to the end of the video because I'm going to give away 3 spools of this Polymaker Carbon Fiber PLA. I'm actually kind of sad. This was supposed to work out so well. You know what? I think we're going to do it again. But we're going to do it again in something else. Like maybe polycarbonate. Or maybe, what do you think? More infill?
Nylon.
Like nylon? We could do it nylon. So this was 50% infill, and this is 25. But see, obviously, that's where it broke. We could do more walls. 8 walls. We could do more. But anyway, piece of junk. Well, that was a pretty awesome adventure. We took a 3D printed hatchet down into the timber. I cut down multiple trees, couple of cords, at least a couple of cords of firewood. The perfect application for 3D printing. Who would have thought a 3D printed hatchet? Yeah, who would have thought that? It's great, but I mean, it's perfect. I can't imagine it going any better. Okay, so maybe that didn't turn out exactly the way I had hoped it would, but that was 3D printed on the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max, which is my email ding. But that was printed on the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max, which is a massive 3D printer with a build volume of 420 by 420 by 500 millimeters on the Z. Pretty impressive. I think that printer retails for around $450 to $490. Pretty amazing machine. I 3D printed it in Polymaker's Carbon Fiber PLA. Now, admittedly, carbon fiber PLA is kind of a, I don't want to say useless, but it's kind of a novelty item. It's still PLA. The carbon fiber, it might add a little bit of strength, but ultimately it's not going to be anything that you're going to want for any type of mechanical parts or anything like, I don't know, smashing wood with. But it is fun. I think we're going to do it again. Let me know in the comments below what filament we should do it in or what material. I'm thinking a polycarbonate. We could do a nylon. We could do something like, I don't know, like a PA12 or a PA6 and see exactly how that works when we smash some wood with it. Ultimately, I think we would probably try and reinforce the neck a little bit more. This was 50% infill, and but I think we could probably do better than that. It had 8 walls. We could add 10 or 12 walls just to really strengthen it up. It was printed at a 0.32 layer height, 220C, and I printed it relatively slow. I think somewhere around 60 millimeters per second. I did have to use Vision Miner's Nano polymer adhesive to hold it down on the ends. It wanted to curl a little bit. Other than that, I mean, the print turned out, it was not the best print. I could have had the first layer dialed in a little bit better, but I think it turned out okay. I mean, the finish on it is nice. I mean, you can see there in that light right there that the finish looks okay. It's heavy, by the way. This is 800 grams of filament, less than 200 grams left on the spool. And this is about $30 or so from Polymaker. I'll have a link in the description below for this filament. I don't know, but why don't you tell me in the comments below what you think I should do to make that thing split wood? Because I think we can if we just use the right materials. And thank you to Polymaker. They generously sponsored this video. They provide all of the filament that we use here in this content in our live show on Twitch, twitch.tv/loyalmoses. And the Polymaker link should be somewhere right about here. Thanks, Polymaker. The hand axe itself is a model from Triple G Workshop over on printables.com. I'll have links in the description below for the model, the filament, the printer, all of that good stuff. Hey, if you're still here and you're still watching, reach down there and hit the like button, and also comment below on what you think we could print here on the ranch with a PLA carbon fiber, and I'm going to give away a spool of Polymaker Carbon Fiber PLA to the top 3 comments. Ultimately, this was a really fun print. We're going to do more of this. We're going to print things. We're going to take them out on the ranch, and we're going to see exactly what things work and what doesn't work and what filaments may or may not be the right stuff. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one. And thank you to these wonderful YouTube members right here. You make this possible.